Well, you might remember the low profile, low technology rock moving tram system here. Had to do some improvements on there. Had a problem when the when the wheels came off the end of this and they sat down on the end there, they sat on the plank rested up there behind the axle, and the only thing, and this was a square corner out here, and when you rolled a rock up on there at an angle, it just sheared that right off. So I added these little this is all glued, all this stuff sticking out here, that's the glue. But I added these pieces of pressure treated wood in there. See how the wheel fits right in there? So now I've got this big solid chunk of wood on the nose and tail of the sled. So and actually, if I beveled this off a little bit here, it'd make it easier to lift and pop back up on there. But now there's only 1/8 of an inch clearance underneath there, and the sled, if it tips up, it only goes about that far before it's resting on the edge. You can't get it doesn't flip up as far. It's not going to flip up out of the way. So when you come over the edge there and you try to wedge a rock up over the edge, and especially with the edges cut down, trimmed down like that, no square corners on there, see how it kind of pivots right to the, this kind of worked out really good. It kind of wedges under there, you get the rock up on there, and then just whew. So yeah, I can handle a lot higher capacity, a lot more weight. And oh, I've done a plank to plank with it before too. And that was with the square corners. It'll probably work even better now. Rock and roll.